USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. Below the video you'll find some links. You can click on the first one and get this robot if you want to make 135% returns in 5 years. And you can just set and forget, and you can click on the second link and you can book consultation with me if you want to talk to me and join brokers as well. The third link is about Telegram. You can join my free Telegram. So subscribe, like. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly we are below the EMA and rejections had been coming, but we are consolidating right now. So overall we are down in weekly. Coming back to daily, in daily we are also below the EMA so far. So let's get to the 4 hour here. In 4 hour as well we are below the EMA for now. Okay, so yeah, all time frames are below. Price in all time frames is below the EMA. So you will not enter long until this high breaks. Okay, so where's my line? This is the high. If the price breaks my line, then we go up. Otherwise, we look for shorts after each pullback. By the way, I don't trade USDCAD because we can trade Euro, USD, GBP, USD. There's no need to trade any other dollar pair anyway. Subscribe, like, if you like what you see, then subscribe, like, and if you want to talk to me, you can do consultation, or you can get this robot if you want to print money without manual trading. Join free Telegram, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.